Edinburgh to Glasgow, from Dundee to the borders, MadeOnAMobile has toured Scotland several times over. So now we head south to Newcastle. A study by Nesta, which included 41 million job adverts, revealed filmmaking and animation to be among the top 5 digital skills required by employers. MadeOnAMobile is a creative approach to capturing, editing and sharing video from a single device. It takes smartphones and tablets and exploits their capability to be both camera, editing suite and means of sharing your story with the world. MadeOnAMobile is an opportunity to invest in the right skills for the future. For testimonials, workshop details or to secure your ticket, please visit playfulcommunications.co.uk.